Hi YouTube fans, it's your boy Sir Frank, and in today's videos I'll be showing you exactly how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours using vidIQ. Now let's go to. If you are tired of posting videos with no views or no reaction or no engagement at all, stop wondering why your channel is not growing fast. With this video is going to change your for that reason you have to hit the notification button, like and subscribe to this Google Play Store and download vidIQ. Now, what is vidIQ? It's a free tools that help you grow your YouTube channels, showing you what is trending, what keywords to use, and how to make your video rank in vidIQ help you to optimize your title, tag and description. vidIQ will help you to analyze video to boost watch hours. vidIQ helps to give you a daily ideas. This is one of my favorite features. vidIQ give you video ideas every day that are trending in your niche. Very simple. It's going to help you to give you trending ideas that are trending in your niche. Now, the last but not the least is consistency. Consistency is the key. It is faster than hard work. You get me? At least if you can be able to post video at least twice a week using vidIQ to plan your video or your content, it will always improve your next video based on your analysis. Very simple. If you are able to post twice a day is using vidIQ, it's only going to help you to improve in terms of your watch hour, in terms of your analysis. It's going to help you and do so many things about all those things. So please, this is where I'm actually going to drop it for today. That is how you can reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour fast using vidIQ.